These videos are brought to you by His Vessel Academy. Check us out at hisvesselacademy.com.
In today's video, we're going to talk about a circle and how it has two tangent lines that meet at one point. And what you need to realize is that those two tangent lines, this one here and that one here, so SU and TU, are congruent. So that means they equal each other. And with that in mind, we can actually create a third line that kind of goes from the center, that actually does go from the center all the way to that same exact point. And we can then connect the radius with the actual with the two tangent points, and we do create right angles. So we get two triangles that are exactly the same. And so if SU is 15, then TU is also 15. If we know that SR is 5, then we know that this is 5. Obviously, RU is going to be the same, so we would end up with the 15 squared plus 5 squared equals the C squared. So this would be my Pythagorean theorem again. Since the actual line that I'm looking for is across from the 90-degree angle, I know I'm looking for the hypotenuse. So for this, I would equal C equals 18.8. And that is the distance in there. Keep in mind, my hypotenuse cannot go any bigger than 15 plus 5. So that would be 20. So my C has to be less than 20, or else I've created two straight lines. Because keep in mind, if I put 15 down, and then I put 5 down right next to it, and I put another one right below it, I have no room for an angle. So that's why it has to be lower than 20 to give me angles. So with the same concept of TU and SU being congruent, we would know that these two equations would also be congruent. So we would just write 6x plus 8 equals 4x plus 24 and solve it. So bring the 4 over, so that would be 2x, because keep in mind I would subtract 4x to both sides, and that would get rid of that one. And then I would subtract, then I have plus 8 equals 24. I'm going to subtract 8 to both sides, and I end up with 2x equals 16. And then I divide both sides by 2, and I end up with x equals 8. And then I can put them back in here. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 8 would be 56. And I could do the same here, and it should also give me 56. If I do have an equation for RT and RS, I can set those two equal together to also find the side length. If I have RT or RS, and since I already have this as 56, I can find RU, because it is the hypotenuse of the two triangles.
At His Vessel Academy, we offer live interactive classes as well as some self-paced courses. Visit hisvesselacademy.com for more information and register today.